Welcome traders, Patrick from Trading123.net. In this video we're going to show you today's trades on the ES and CL here using the opening range breakout strategy here on November 7th, 2022. So the market opens up here, is kind of going up and down and sideways, and then we get a little bit of a sell-off, and we're trading 3 contracts, and it goes down and hits our first and second profit target. And then the market wasn't really weak. It would need to get below the fib level here, and it holds up and it bounces back and stops us out. So not every trade with the opening range breakout strategy is going to be a $1,000 winner. We typically go for $500 to $600 on these breakouts on 2 to 3 contracts. So this is a Monday, a slower day in the market. The market wasn't ready to sell off, and therefore we ended up with $237 profit on this one particular trade. But the day's not over. We can reset the strategy and set it to trade another time frame. So let's take a look at our next trade. And this is our crude oil trade that we had set up. And crude, again, on a Monday was going kind of nowhere. And it finally broke down and sold off. Through the first 15 minutes, really light volume and not breaking out, but it broke down, sold off. Monday we were only going for a $500 goal. It hit it on the 3 contracts, and we'll take it and bank it and trade again. So there's no reason to get upset. Well, damn thing only made $500. I mean, $500 a day is more than what people make at their day jobs. And all that really matters is that you're profitable. So that's our crude oil trade. And we had, I think, 1 or 2 more. Let's take a look at those. And here is the next trade. So this was the opening range and of the first half hour. And again, this is a Monday, pretty slow day. And the market just could not get going, and so we ended up with $250 profit on 3 contracts. As here I basically got impatient, hit the flatten button, and it exited the trade. As the next bar, it was ready to sink, and it went into the fib resistance at the 61.8, but Mondays are typically a slower day, so no, profit's profit. And then we reset the strategy once again, as the market wasn't really selling off hard in crude oil or breaking out yet, and it took some time. And so here's a another breakout that happened, and again we went for our $500 goal. It hit the profit target on the breakout, and we got our profit. So there's various ways you could trade the strategy, from the opening range breakout to a lengthier breakout like this one, and let it trade, and there's the results. So 4 trades, all profitable. And that's the way the opening range breakout strategy works. You can customize it to, trade, any time frame you wish. So it's fully customizable, no restrictions to it. Trade as many contracts you want, make as much as you want. No restrictions on profit or loss goals. Comes completely with a manual and videos of how to use it. And we give great detail and spend a lot of time developing our manuals and videos so you can trade just like us. So this is Patrick from Trading123. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button here on YouTube and like us on Facebook and Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.